Hey everyone, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I am so excited. I have been waiting for weeks to receive this in the mail, and look! Yes! Please watch me open this. I'm serious. This pink and teal box, phenomenal. You need to see it. One thing to note, please forgive me. I absolutely slaughtered the artist name. I am horrible with names. I love your artwork. Please forgive me. It's one of my many downfalls, but hopefully, because I love your work and I want to honor you as an artist, you will forgive me. So let's turn this camera around. Let's open this box. Let's see what's inside this sneak peek from the new and improved Mary's Diamonds. Hey, so we have turned the camera around, and like I said, this is a true sneak peek surprise because I have no idea what's in the box. All I know is, like I said in the opening, this is from Mary's Diamonds, which Jamie and Nicole from Bella Art to Nicole have been working very hard to get them up and running. And so we are going to delicately open this box and see what's in here. They have spent months working on renewing Mary's Diamonds with different canvases, different kits, re-signing artists. Oh my goodness, look how fun this box is, people. Look. Okay, so, let's see, where are you? Where are you? There you are. So right here, it says Mary's Diamonds. And then on the side, look at that. Mary's Diamonds. Do, 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 do. And then the back. Oh, this is beautiful, guys. Okay, and then it has here, locate the symbol and color code, press the tip of the pen in the glue, pour and pick the diamonds up, and place it on the symbol. Super fun. Also has the social media. Let's see, and down here, I'm going to read it to you, but it says on this card, we apologize for opening your diamond painting box since this kit was Since this kit is part of our first prints, we wanted to ensure that everything was in good condition and according to our standards. We also made sure a Bella Art essential tray was included. Sincerely, Bella Art and Mary Diamonds team. Okay, so then here they put a picture of what we're getting. Okay, this is the first time I'm seeing this. Oh, where's my glasses? Oh, I totally forgot my glasses. Okay. We're just going to have to open it and see. Oh, it looks delicious. It looks delicious. I will tell you why it looks delicious in just a minute. Here we go. Okay, you guys have to go check this out. I have been wanting to order from them forever because they have some amazing artists. Let's see, is there anything else in here? Hello down there. Nope, there's nothing else in the box. The box is pretty snazzy. Okay, so here we go. We're going to open this. All right, so it's the short lint, as you can see, right here. And it has the serged edges, just like all the amazing diamond painting companies. And then this is the Bella Art de Nicole tray. Hold the phone. Did I just say it's a Bella Art de Nicole tray? It is not a normal white tray, people. This is delicately designed, strategic in every way, feedback from Facebook groups, users. Nicole and Jamie have developed an amazing product and have included it in their new Mary's Diamonds boxes. So, yes, 3D designed, perfect spacing. And if you want to check out their website, there's many more options and colors. Join their Facebook group, go check out their website. Yes. Now let go of the phone, continue watching the unboxing, and go craft.
Love that it's in there. Okay. So let's see. All right, it has, upside down, 55 colors. And it looks like what they do is they put all the colors in DMC order. And then at the bottom is the ABs. There's 4 ABs, 208, 818, 819, and 3078. Thank you for actually using the DMC numbers. I'm going to bring this up just a little bit closer so you guys can see. Whoops, let me get this straight. So there you go. There you go. There you go. All right. Poured glue. I'm very confused. All right. So the reason I'm confused is that it says Mary's Diamonds here, but the table is the opposite direction. Is that in case you want to work on it upside down? Nicole, tell me, is that in case we want to work on it upside down? Look how fun this is. This is a lovely woman in her cup of coffee. Yeah, because over on this side, it's right side up. So you have, oh my goodness. Okay, so this is called Cozy Mug. It's licensed from Moran, or Mora, I'm sorry, Mora Natascia. I'm so sorry if I butchered that. So sorry. It is 50 by 50 centimeters, which translates into 19.69 by 19.69 inches. And I'm going to do this so that you can see it just a little bit clearer, because my ring light, I love the plastic. Isn't that gorgeous? That's so beautiful. Oh my goodness, I love it. I absolutely love it. Okay, so let's see. You get a sticker sheet. Absolutely love the sticker sheet. So it's going to show you what you ordered. How fun is that? Cozy Mug. Gives you all the description. Over here are your symbols. I love these stickers. These are probably my favorite types of stickers. They're just the right size to go on my Harbor Freight. They're large enough that you can see the symbols without your glasses. Okay, so let's look for the ABs. Let's see here. The ABs are kind of like that sideways eye blink. It's a line with a little dot next to it. So it looks like there's some ABs here. There's search. Probably a good idea. Why did I take my glasses off when I flipped the camera? All right, let's look for the check marks. So here in the sweater, there's some pink ABs in the sweater, and there's some ABs here in the face, then the number sign. So more in the sweater. Let's see here. And that 818 and 819 are very light. We're going to look for that pink color. Okay. You guys are probably like, this is the most boring sneak peek ever, because I can't find any of the ABs, and it's my own fault because I don't have glasses on. Okay, it's in here. Right in there. And then you've got the yellow squares, which are in her hair. So fun. And of course, you guys can't see any of what I was just showing you because of the light. So in her hair, here in her, I don't think that's her. Yeah, that is her face. At first, I thought maybe it was the smoke from her cup. But up here, there's the ABs. And then there's some in her sweater wrinkles. Okay, so this is square. And I love all these colors. They're like pinks and purples. There's a few grays. All right, so here's the standard kit. It didn't, and then they add the Bella Art tray, which I absolutely love because you know you're getting quality. You get some washi tape. You get a little squeezer. You get the sharp scissors, not scissors, tweezers. You get some blue wax. You get the single placer. The one thing I would do is, I know they're still working on it, is to get the thinner multi-placers. And then cute little blue wax. All right, and then on here, because you know, I haven't had this company before. Let's see. They're all in baggies, which I absolutely love. Here are those ABs that we were talking about. Right here are the three. Let's get you out of the light so you can see this a little bit easier. All right, it's like you're doomed if you do, doomed if you're not. Okay, and then you've got all of these beautiful colors, the pinks and the purples and the mauves. Oh, this is going to be so fun just to do. I think I'm going to wait for winter to do this. I don't know, maybe not. But all of these beautiful colors. And they look like they are in order. Yep, they're in DMC order. And they're in the little baggies. So all of these beautiful colors. Look at that vibrant purple. Yes, that salmon color. Deep dark red. So gorgeous. So gorgeous. You know, I could never work in one of the factories because I never put the stuff back like it should be. But these are the fabulous colors. Absolutely gorgeous. You guys are outdoing yourselves. I know it's only going to get better. Absolutely love it. I hope you enjoyed this sneak peek. Go check out marysdiamonds.com and bellaartdenicole.com. I have the links down below as well. They are going to be doing fabulous. And oh my gosh, you have to get it just for the box. Look how fun this box is. You have to get it. Okay, until next time, guys, be blessed, take care, rock on, and let me know what you're going to go order from Mary's Diamonds. Bye-bye.